Still waiting on the epoxy to dry on this current project that I'm working on. The question that I got on one of my previous videos was, how do I go about choosing the lumber for my charcuterie boards? I'll be honest, I don't really know how to answer that. Sometimes I get a vision of what I want to see in my head and try to go from there. It really just depends. And sometimes even before I pick out a piece of lumber, like if I see a piece of lumber that I'm like, oh, I think that would look cool, then I'll grab whatever the template for whichever mold I'm going to use. I just start laying this template on that board and kind of envision different things, cutting it out, the shapes. If I clean that out, that's going to be awesome. Voids that you can fill with epoxy to add character. But if you take the template and lay it on top of the board, you can just kind of play around with it in different configurations. I know I'm doing a lot of charcuterie boards right now, and this new mold and template that I got from Crafted Elements is my current favorite. So yeah, I'm a little obsessed with it. Sorry, not sorry. But I got stuff to make the wine caddy. I got molds to do some resin clocks. What do you call those things? You sit on the table and it rotates around and around and around. Lazy Susan. I'm gonna do some Lazy Susans and a beer flight. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Let me know of all those things that I just mentioned. What do you want to see next? The clock, beer flight, the wine caddy, the Lazy Susan, another charcuterie board. I already know what I'm gonna make next. So whether I listen to you or not, I don't know. Just trying to generate comments, get that algorithm going. Help me out. Stay tuned and go make some sawdust.